Sure. Here's a crash course complete guide on Facebook advertising, starting from beginner level to expert level, covering the steps in detail. Beginner level, create a Facebook business page. If you don't have one, go to facebook.com/business and set up a business page for your brand or company. Define your objectives, determine your advertising goals. Common objectives include increasing website traffic, driving app installations, generating leads, or increasing sales. Target audience, understand your target audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to research and refine your audience. Budgeting, decide on your advertising budget. Facebook allows daily or lifetime budgets, and you can set the total amount you want to spend. Ad formats, choose the right ad format for your objectives. Common formats include carousel ads, single image ads, video ads, and slideshow ads. Ad content and creatives, create compelling ad copy and eye-catching visuals. Focus on delivering your message concisely and including a clear call to action, CTA. Ad placement, decide where you want your ads to appear. Facebook offers various placements like news feed, stories, right column, and Instagram. Launch the campaign, set up your ad campaign in the Facebook Ads Manager. Select your target audience, budget, and schedule, and then publish the campaign. Intermediate level, A/B testing, run A/B tests to compare different ad elements like visuals, copy, and CTA to identify the most effective combinations. Custom audiences, utilize Facebook Pixel to create custom audiences based on website interactions. This allows you to retarget users who have shown interest in your products or services. Lookalike audiences, leverage lookalike audiences to reach new users who share similarities with your existing customers. Ad frequency and optimization, monitor your ad frequency and make adjustments to avoid ad fatigue. Optimize your ads regularly based on performance metrics. Ad scheduling, experiment with different ad schedules to identify the most effective times for reaching your target audience. Expert level, advanced targeting, utilize advanced targeting options like behavioral targeting, interests, connections, and custom audiences to further refine your audience segmentation. Dynamic ads, implement dynamic ads that automatically display products or services tailored to each user based on their browsing behavior and interests. Facebook Pixel optimization, implement advanced tracking and optimization techniques using Facebook Pixel to measure and improve conversions. Attribution models, explore different attribution models to understand the impact of your ads across various touchpoints in the customer journey. Scaling and budget optimization, learn how to scale successful campaigns while maintaining cost efficiency. Use Facebook's automated bidding and budget optimization features. Campaign automation, utilize Facebook's automated rules to manage your campaigns, ad sets, and budgets more efficiently. Experimentation and innovation, stay updated with the latest Facebook advertising features and trends. Continuously test new ideas and strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Remember that successful Facebook advertising requires continuous learning, monitoring, and adapting to changes in the platform and consumer behavior. Keep track of your results, analyze data, and adjust your strategies accordingly to achieve the best results.